Okay, here we have the best little hula hooper going here.
Are you writing that down?
I'm saying it so that whoever watches this can see how incredibly good you are at this, that you keep doing it and hardly ever drop. So we're going to just keep doing this until you drop it, or until I get tired of holding the camera. Whichever
or my hips hurt.
Or your hips hurt, right. If your hips hurt. Because you look like you're barely moving at all. You don't even look like your hips are moving. How do you do that so well?
Practice.
Practice? Well, practice makes perfect.
I can lift it up without even picking up my arms and lifting it up.
Yeah, and obviously your legs don't move at all. It's all done in the middle of your body. And it just keeps going and going until I run out of space on my camera. So I guess we're going to have to bring this to a close, to the greatest 6.5-year-old hula hoop champion, Ava Zimmett.
Did you write that down?
Say bye.
Bye.